Hello my lovely children, myself Swati Tidrewal, your English and SST teacher welcomes you back after a mini vacation. I hope you people are very happy with your excellent result in grade 1. Now it's the time back to our studies. So as in our previous video, we have learnt about the chapter A Good House. Now today I am here with another chapter, that is Rooms in a House. Now children, in this chapter we will be learning about the different rooms in a house, the uses of different rooms and the types of houses like Kacha house and Pakka house. So let's proceed. First of all, we all live in our homes. Yes children, where do we all live? Yes, we live in homes. We need a house for shelter and protection. है ना, हमें प्रोटेक्शन मिलता है, शेल्टर मिलता है कहाँ पे? घर पे. ठीक है. फॉर प्रोटेक्शन फ्रॉम होम, हीट, कोल्ड, रेन, एनिमल्स. ओके, फ्रॉम ऑल दिस वी गेट अ प्रोटेक्शन इन आवर house. It is a place where we feel safe and happy. Yes, we feel safe and happy at our home. There is no danger in our house. We feel very safe and happy too. A house is one of our basic needs. Listen children, now we have discussed many chapters in our SST like clothes, food, house. So house is also one of our basic need. Like without food we cannot survive, without clothes we cannot survive. In the same way the house is also very essential for our survival. So house is one of our basic needs. Let us once again revise what we have seen. We all live in our homes. We need a house for shelter and protection, and it is a place where we feel safe and happy, and house is one of our basic needs. Next, a modern house has many rooms in it. Some of these rooms are, okay, in our house there are many rooms which are known as first drawing room, dining room, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom and study room. These are the main rooms which have been found in our house. Children, let us discuss about each of them in detail. Students, can you identify these pictures? Yes, it is a picture of a drawing room. It is a dining room, and this is the picture of a kitchen. Now let us discuss what is a drawing room. A drawing room or a living room is used to sit together. First of all children, a drawing room is also known as living room. ठीक है, drawing room को living room भी बोला जाता है. It is used to sit together. All family members can sit together over here to receive guests. Whenever any guest comes to our house, we welcome them in the drawing room. And for recreation, what does the recreation means? Enjoying or relaxing yourself when you are not working. That means doing any kind of entertainment like watching television. So that is known as recreation. ठीक है, अपने आप को enjoy करवाना, relax करवाना, that is known as recreation. So a drawing room or a living room is used to sit together, to receive guests and for recreation. Now next is a dining room. A dining room is used for eating meals. Yes, very well known. A dining room is used for having our meals. We all sit together and have our meals. This is the table which is known as dining table, on which all the meals are being served. Okay, and this is the chair on which we sit and have our meals. So it is known as dining table or a dining room. Okay, we have our lunch, breakfast and dinner together in the dining room. Now next is a kitchen. A kitchen is used for cooking food. Children, in the chapter Our Family, we have learned about the roles of a mother. So in that we have learned about that mother cooks food. So where does a mother cook food? She cooks food in the kitchen. So a kitchen is a place which is used for cooking food. It have a gas stove, chimneys, utensils and all the shelves to keep the utensils. Now children, that's all for today. Now before going, I would like to do some quiz with you. Are you ready for it? Okay, so let's begin. Now your first question is, which of the following is the picture of a drawing room? And option A, B or C? Yes, the correct answer is B. Now next question, in which room family members together have their dinner? In which room we have our dinner? And your options are A, dining room, B, drawing room, or C, bedroom. The correct answer is yes, A, dining room. Now the next question, which of the following items is not found in drawing room? Okay, from these three options, A, sofa set, B, television, and C, gas stove. From these three, which of the item is not found in a drawing room? Yes, the correct answer is C, gas stove. It is not found in the drawing room, but it is been seen in kitchen. So that's all for today, and there is one home assignment for you people, that is make a list of any 5 items found in your drawing room and a kitchen. So you have to prepare a list of 5 items which has been found in drawing room and kitchen. Okay children, so thank you for seeing my video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.